Are you chasing the peacock? The peacock is not running very quickly away from her. Bailey's gonna jump on the peacock. Don't go down the hill, Bailey. Gotta leave the peacock. I want to catch it around the front. Bailey, peacock's this way. Bailey. No. Bailey. Hi, peacock. No. Come on. Oh, gobble, gobble. Peacock just gobbled at me. Hey, get up there. Get up there. Get up the hill. Stop chasing the peacock. Where's the peacock? There's the peacock. I don't think Bailey's gonna quit chasing the peacock. Bailey! Come on, Bales. Come on. Okay, leave the peacock alone. You're making him mad. Okay, say bye-bye to the peacock. Come on. Let's go back to the park. No, let's go back. Let's go. I'm sorry, you're making him mad. Her sister. Running after us. Bella, what are you doing? Running around? Go get your sister. Bella, don't go down the hill, baby. No, you cannot have the peacock. Go this way. Go get your sister. Go get her.